strada che va a Camaiore, al semaforo, ti aspetto all'altro semaforo.
Well, today we just decide to make a lap to warm up a bit for the time trial of tomorrow. So they went quite easy, then they made a 20 minutes working on medium heart rate zone, and then just motor pacing to get the speed, and now a bit relaxed. And for someone we decide to make another lap of 1 hour with one climb, just because there's already 3 days without not much training, and we hope that it works.
No, esco prima e poi faccio il pittero da dietro e scendo verso Camaiore, sai, fare così. Anche se vado da solo non è un problema, sai.
No, ci organizziamo per questo.
Yeah, obviously today was planned to we work for the team time trial, so working in chain, while it's not really necessary to work too deep on that direction and do some more motor pacing than that, so that tomorrow will be an individual time trial and will be easier.
Markel, qui si gira, qui dove c'è la stazione di servizio.